Neat how you can adjust all these wheels with one lever. I can't believe that thing fired up on one pull. Huh, that's kind of amazing. And right there. What's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to be opening this box up. This is a lawnmower I got from Sam's Club, and I just want to see how easy this is to put together, or if it's a pain in the butt. Now, if you're watching this video to see how easy this is to put together, that's awesome. But I'm getting this for my father-in-law to help the poor man out. So if anything, can you give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment down below saying hi to my father-in-law, because he needs a lawnmower, people. All right, let's get her opened up. Oop. Cut. We got her, there we go. Maybe, I don't know. I'm wondering if I even need oil. Let's see, what are my first impressions? Well, here's the bag. Here's a little part with, I don't know, it looks like that would be for the spark plug maybe, I don't know. The bag seems not too shabby. That should last. The one I got for my mower ain't no better, and I bought that years ago. We got a manual. I'm gonna need that right here. Wait, I got a manual and a manual. Operator's manual, owner's manual. I don't know what the difference is. All right. Don't seem too bad. All right. Now you're gonna have to go to Sam's Club to get this. If I can get a link for this, I'll put it down in my description. I don't know. Maybe I can. All right, how do you get this out of here without breaking your back? Cut this corner all the way up like that. Yeah, look at that. Sometimes I just impress myself. Pull this handle up like this and pull it out. You tell me that's that easy? Huh, I don't know, I'm not even reading nothing yet, but you have one of these fancy little fast connect things right here. And instead of pushing it down, I just spun it around like that and I pulled it up. I think it's better because it won't get close to these tires. That's really simple. All right, and this is supposed to adjust the size. It all adjusts. I always had to adjust every single wheel. Look at that, all four adjust. Ha, that's pretty slick. That's crazy. All right, let's cut this cardboard off so we will have, I don't think I need this on here either. All right. This is going to be your gas. You're going to pull that in. That's what's going to keep the engine running. This is your self-propelled thing, so the wheels will spin. And that feels pretty good. I like that handle. I don't know, so far, I think this mower is okay. I can't tell you how long it's going to last, but usually the Briggs & Stratton will last a long time. All right, I feel like looking at that manual just confuses the crap out of me, and it's probably going to confuse you too. So this is your gas tank. Real simple, just go buy some gas for it. I do recommend, if you can buy non-ethanol fuel, just buy some non-ethanol fuel. If you cannot get non-ethanol fuel for this engine, it's gonna be okay, but maybe I would probably get like a higher test gas, like the high test, it's gonna cost you a little more money, and then put some fuel stabilizer maybe in the gas. That will help, but if you can get non-ethanol, that is great. But this is where you're going to put fuel. Luckily, there's a couple of stations around me I can get non-ethanol. So that's your fuel. I do like the air filter on this thing. This is the air filter. That's a pretty nice looking air filter for a push mower. Seems all right. It doesn't look like there's any kind of choke or anything on this thing, so hopefully it just fires right up. Now that, these little tabs will just slip in down at the bottom, and then you clip that into place like that. This is what your pull to start it. I'm going to put this pull cord up here. Well, let me not pull that yet, because I know it needs oil. I've already checked. Let me put some oil on it, in case some crazy reason that thing fires up or something. Before you start pulling on that, this is the oil. You want to check the oil. Let me show you where the oil should be. I think there's like a little dribble of oil down in there. Pull that out, maybe wipe that off with a paper towel. Okay? You're going to see 2 holes on there. I think you want that oil all the way up. Let me show you. Yeah, so you're going to want that oil all the way up to that like top hole. There's 2 holes, okay? You don't want it way over that top hole, but you want it up there. And it says 10W30, but not really sure how much. I got some 10W30 that I put in my John Deere. There's like 3/4 of this jug left, and this is a quart. I wouldn't think this hold a quart, so I'm gonna pour some in. I have a little bit left in the bottom. I think I had around 20 ounces left in that. I should have looked. But normally in these push mowers, it doesn't hold over a quart. So let's see what that does. Where's some cardboard? Put my funnel on this cardboard. Let's see what we're looking like now. I didn't even get 3/4 of a quart in there, whatever 3/4 of a quart is. Ah, see, that's pretty dang close. Wow, yeah. So let's just put a little more in there. Do not run this without oil. Oh, there we go. Now I'm a little bit, I think it'll be all right. I definitely am a little bit on the high side. Don't put a quart in there. Hey, that's not too bad. This piece, I'm wondering how, and then this wheel's kind of hooked to that wheel. Now that's pretty slick. Hopefully it lasts. But I think that's the only thing I've seen on this that I think's a little bit flipping crazy, people. Crazy. It says right here on the engine, no oil changes. I think they're out of their freaking mind. You gotta change the oil in this thing. I would change it at least once a season. It's so simple. You could probably flip this thing upside down and dump all the oil out, put some new in it. I don't know if there's a drain plug on the bottom, but I would put new oil in it. They're out of their ever-living crazy mind. Change the oil. Don't listen to that. But I think that's neat how you can adjust all these wheels with one lever. Oh, there we go. Now I'm a little bit, I think it'll be all right. I definitely am a little bit on the high side. Don't put a quart in there. This piece, I'm wondering how, and then this wheel's kind of hooked to that wheel. Now that's pretty slick. Hopefully it lasts. But I think that's neat how you can adjust all these wheels with one lever. That's really slick. I don't know if 3 means 3 inches. No way, because 6 ain't 6 inches. This thing don't mow 6 inches tall, I don't think. So I don't think these numbers mean like inches. You just put it where you think's the best. All right, before I fill that up, let me show you how this bag goes on. All right, you can pull this piece up right here. You got to pull this piece out. Don't forget to pull that piece out or your bagger ain't gonna work, all right? Real simple. Then you can take your bag, there's 2 little hooks here. Them 2 little hooks are gonna go over right here and right there. Super simple, okay? I don't know. I figured that out by just looking at it, but sometimes I'm smart. Like that, and then just shut it like that. That's how that's gonna go on. That should work pretty good, but I don't know if I'm gonna bag much or if my father-in-law is gonna bag much. So make sure you keep this in if you don't use the bagger. I'll have to show that to my wife because I think she's dropping this off. All right, and then you do have the side chute right here. How does this work? Pull this up, pull this tab up, pull this up maybe? Yeah, look at that. I'm so freaking smart. Okay, we'll put this on. I think, pull that up, pull this up. You can leave that all down and it will mulch too, so you can mulch it has a mulching blade on it. We could put this, see the 2 little holes in the top of that thing? There's 2 little tabs under here. Just look under there, you'll see the 2 tabs. I don't need to show you because it's really, really easy. Put them over them tabs. Man, at least everything goes on simple. That goes on simple. Everything went on simple, that's nice. All right, let's fill this up. Now I have non-ethanol. And if you don't have one of these gas cans yet, you're flipping crazy because The government freaking gas cans are stupid. These ones come with a funnel right on them. Let's pour some this is non-ethanol. I heard some crazy rumors that the government is going to make our gas 15% ethanol. You guys ever hear that? That's good enough. Ooh. Is it really going up to 15% ethanol? That would be awful. They're trying to kill our freaking vehicles or what? All right.
That's a nice mower.
I think so.
Self-propelled.
Yep.
Good.
So far, I think it's pretty decent for, I don't know, buying it at Sam's Club. Look at this. Watch this.
Everything's plastic
Watch how you adjust the wheels though. Watch. It adjusts all.
Wow.
That adjusts all of them. Huh. That's pretty slick.
Cool.
Now, we're gonna fire it up for the first time here. I don't think there's a fuel shutoff. You read the directions, and the directions have directions for, like, I don't know, all kinds of stuff. So, spark plug's right there. I think I just pull the cord. See what happens. See if it fires right up.
Make a video on that?
Yeah, you're recording me right on you're right in front of the camera.
I'm sorry.
Hang on.
I didn't realize it.
All right, pull this. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna put that in here somehow, like that. Okay. All right, here we go. See if this thing fires up. Here we go. I don't know. All right, what did I say? That's the gas or whatever. Okay. What? One pull. All right, one. That's crazy. One pull. Now that sucker was not hot. Look. It's still not even hot because I can't believe that thing fired up on one pull. Huh. That's kind of amazing. Oh, let's see how the self-propelled works. I'm not mowing my grass because it's freaking all wet. Fires right up. Not too shabby. All right, well, that's it for this video. I think this lawnmower now I got this from Sam's Club. If I can find this anywhere else, I'll throw a link to this right down in my description. I don't think it's too shabby. I think it'll work. The speed, I guess, ain't too bad. Once I actually walked down my driveway, it's just a nice kind of slow, gradual walk. I wish you could kind of slow that down. That's the only thing maybe I don't like, if you could slow that down a little bit if you wanted. But I don't see where there's any way you can slow that down. So for me, it's not bad at all, but I'm giving this to a guy that's about in his 80s. I think he'll be all right. So hope he likes it. But if this video helped you out, man, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and stay awesome, people.